let's get started. We're going to be talking about the word ending ER. All right? So when you add ER to the end of the word, you can turn that word from a verb into a noun. So remember, a verb is an action word, right? And a noun is a person, place, or thing. So if you add just these two letters, ER, you make a whole new word, and it goes from being a verb to a noun. All right? So let's see how this works. Let's start with this word. This word is teach. Okay? Teach is a verb. It's something you do. Like right now, I am teaching. I teach, right? It is something that I do. All right? But if we add ER to the end of the word teach, the word becomes teacher. Teacher. I am a teacher. The word teacher is a noun. That's a person. It's not an action word anymore. It has the word teach in it, so we know what a teacher does. A teacher is someone who teaches, but the word itself is no longer a verb. It's now a noun. So teach is a verb, an action word, and now teacher is a noun. It's a person, all right? So when we add this ER to the end of a verb, it changes that verb into a noun, okay? Let's try with a couple more. So right here we have the word learn. Learn. When you learn, you're doing something. That's an action word, all right? But when we add ER to the end of learn, it becomes learner. And a learner is a person who learns. So, again, a noun. Okay? Again, it is a noun. It goes from learn, a verb, to learner, a noun. Let's take a look at one more. Right here we have the word read. Read is an action word. It's something that you do, right? You pick up a book, you open the book, you are looking at the words, you're sounding them out. Reading is a verb. It's something that you do. But if you add ER to the end of the word read, so then it says reader, like that, reader, then it goes from being a verb, read, to a noun, reader. A reader is a person who reads. So I'm a reader, you're a reader, as I'm sure you've been doing today, doing some reading. So it goes from being a verb to a noun. So when you add that ER, it changes the word. It becomes a whole new word. It's a new word. It still has a lot of the same letters, and they have meanings that can kind of go together, but it's still a new word, and it's now a noun. So it goes from being a verb to a noun. So now I want you to try and think of a few more verbs where if you add an ER to the end, it becomes a noun. Another one would be like farm. A farm, if to farm that's a verb. If you are going to farm somewhere, that means you're going to dig, or you're going to feed the cows, milk the cows, things like that. When you farm, that's a verb. But if you add ER to the end, farmer, now you have a noun, a person who farms, right? Very good. All right, we're going to look at this more tomorrow, but I wanted to get you started on it today. And so remember, adding ER changes a verb to a noun. Good job, boys and girls.